This isn't just an RC plane. It's a stealth bomber in your hands. Twin jet power, insane agility, and a design so futuristic it looks unreal, yet you can launch it yourself and dominate the sky. The craziest part? It's easier to fly than you think, and what it can do mid-air will blow your mind. Meet the SNJ-5 AT6 Texan 1.5 meter by E-flite, a stunning scale warbird that blends iconic design with modern performance, giving you the thrill of classic aviation with cutting-edge control. From the moment you see it, the detail is breathtaking. Molded panel lines, a realistic radial engine, and even a fully detailed cockpit with a pilot figure. It feels alive. The iconic 101 trim scheme adds authenticity that turns heads at any field. But this isn't just about looks. You get functional flaps and retractable landing gear, delivering a true-to-life flying experience. Under the hood, it's powered by a 3S and 4S compatible system, paired with a 70A Smart Light ESC, giving you smooth power, responsive throttle, and impressive flight performance. And here's where it gets exciting. The BNF version includes advanced AS3X Plus stabilization for precision handling, plus optional Safe Select technology. That means smoother flights, better control, and added confidence even in tricky conditions. Pilots love how stable yet responsive it feels in the air. Takeoffs are smooth, landings feel controlled, and in-flight behavior is incredibly predictable, perfect for intermediate to advanced flyers stepping into warbirds. Plus, no glue assembly means you're airborne faster than ever. Whether you're chasing nostalgia or pushing your flying skills further, the SNJ-5 Texan delivers a powerful mix of realism, performance, and pure excitement. This isn't just flying, it's reliving history. Are you ready to take control? Meet the Eratix 3D SWS 1.6 meter, a game-changing Sportwood series aircraft that combines lightweight strength, brutal power, and effortless assembly into one seriously capable aerobatic machine. Right out of the box, this plane is built to impress. Its balsa and plywood airframe, reinforced with carbon fiber, delivers the perfect balance of stiffness and durability, giving you precise control during even the wildest maneuvers. And the best part? No glue required. You can assemble it fast and get in the air in a fraction of the time compared to traditional builds. The two-piece wing design makes transport and storage incredibly convenient too. Under the hood, it's powered by a 6S compatible motor paired with a 100-amp Smart ESC, delivering explosive thrust and real-time telemetry data. Add to that high-voltage metal-geared digital servos, and you've got razor-sharp responsiveness at your fingertips. Plus, advanced AS3X Plus technology keeps your flight smooth and locked in, while optional Safe Select adds an extra layer of confidence when you need it most. In the air, this thing is a beast. From smooth sport flying to aggressive 3D tricks like Harriers, torque rolls, and knife-edge passes, it handles it all with insane precision. Pilots love how predictable yet powerful it feels, making it perfect for pushing limits without losing control. And if you want even more performance, the optional side force generators take your aerobatics to the next level. Whether you're stepping into wood-built models or chasing extreme 3D action, the Eratix 3D SWS delivers unmatched convenience, performance, and thrill. This isn't just flying, it's pure adrenaline in the sky. Are you ready to dominate the air? Introducing the P-51D Mustang 20cc ARF by Hangar 9, a stunning 1/6 scale warbird that captures the spirit, power, and beauty of America's most iconic WW2 fighter. From the first glance, this aircraft demands attention. The satin finish covering showcases incredible scale details, panel lines, rivets, authentic stenciling, and bold squadron colors inspired by the 375th Fighter Squadron. Step closer, and it gets even better. Inside, you'll find a detailed cockpit with a 3D instrument panel and a hand-painted pilot figure that brings the whole aircraft to life.
The redesigned cowling, complete with realistic inlets and exhaust, perfectly matches the sleek spinner for that unmistakable Mustang look. But it's not just about appearance. Built from lightweight balsa and plywood, this airframe offers durability without sacrificing performance. You also get the freedom to choose your power system, gas, glow, or electric, so you can truly customize your flying experience. Functional flaps allow shorter takeoffs and smoother landings, and shock-absorbing landing gear makes grass field operations easier. And if you want to take realism even further, optional retracts and wing tanks add both performance and scale authenticity. In the air, this Mustang feels as good as it looks. Pilots rave about its smooth, stable handling and responsive controls. Whether you're cruising low with that iconic silhouette or pushing into high-speed passes, it delivers a commanding presence that turns every flight into a show. If you've ever dreamed of flying a true warbird legend, this is your chance. The P-51D Mustang 20cc ARF combines history, performance, and stunning detail into one unforgettable experience. This isn't just flying, it's owning a piece of aviation legacy. Are you ready to take the controls?
Meet the Champ Anniversary Special Edition, a beginner-friendly legend designed to turn complete novices into confident pilots faster than you ever imagined. This aircraft is all about making flight easy and fun. At the heart of it is safe technology, an intelligent system that helps prevent over-control, loss of orientation, and crashes. That means fewer mistakes and more time actually flying. You can switch between beginner and experienced modes with the push of a button, so as your skills grow, your aircraft grows with you. It's like having a flight instructor built right into your plane. And despite being beginner-friendly, it's far from boring. The efficient electric motor delivers long flight times and enough power for basic aerobatics like loops and stall turns, keeping things exciting even after you've mastered the basics. What pilots love most is how effortless it feels. You take off smoothly, stay in control, and land with confidence, even on your first try. Plus, it's lightweight, durable, and easy to repair, so small bumps won't ruin your day. And the convenience, unmatched. It comes fully assembled and ready to fly. No tools, no setup, no stress. Just charge, bind, and take off. Whether you're starting your RC journey or looking for a fun, reliable trainer to share with others, the Champ delivers the perfect mix of simplicity, stability, and excitement. Your flying adventure starts here. Are you ready to take off? Introducing the Micro B2 Spirit Twin 30mm EDF, a compact, affordable replica of the legendary stealth bomber that brings cutting-edge design and thrilling performance to your fingertips. This aircraft stands out instantly with its iconic flying wing design. No tail, no compromises, just pure stealth aesthetics. Built from durable, lightweight EPO material with reinforced edges and composite strengthening, it's engineered to handle real-world flying while staying incredibly agile. Powering this beast are twin 30mm EDF fans paired with brushless motors, delivering smooth, jet-like thrust using a 3S 850 mAh battery. The result? Fast, stable, and incredibly satisfying flight performance. And control? Next level. With AS3X stabilization, you get rock-solid handling even in windy conditions, while optional Safe Select adds extra confidence when you need it. Plus, real-time telemetry data keeps you informed mid-flight, just like a true pilot. You can even choose how you fly, install the fixed landing gear with steerable nose wheel for smooth takeoffs, or remove it for faster, cleaner flights and easy hand launches. In the air, it's unlike anything else. Smooth, quiet, and incredibly stable, yet capable of loops, rolls, and even inverted flight. Pilots love how it combines futuristic looks with surprisingly fun and forgiving handling, making it accessible without losing excitement. If you've ever dreamed of flying a stealth bomber, this is your moment. The Micro B2 Spirit delivers innovation, performance, and pure thrill in a compact package. This isn't just RC flying, it's stealth power in your hands. Are you ready for takeoff? PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.